All right, everybody, good morning. I'm gonna show you how to make a delicious breakfast. Well, we start off with an old banana left over from the kids' breakfast. Then we're gonna take ourselves a half-eaten muffin and some leftover meat from the fridge. And, well, let's see what we get. Now, the real key here is that the leftover food is from 3 separate kids. So you can see how each one of the banana chunks come off individually, not just one whole banana. Now we want to make sure the meat is cut just perfectly and that these old muffins that are squished together really tie it all together. Okay, let's see what's next. Okay, now can you hear that sizzle? Ooh, that's really coming together nicely. Now, you know what they say, it's not a breakfast without eggs. See how that really goes in there nicely together. Okay, so now, put it in the drawer, get our favorite cutlery. Now, you want to be really careful about how you do this. You want to make sure you're doing just the right amount of smushing and mixing together. Hear the sound of that sizzle. The flavors seem really nice. Okay. Also put a little bit of butter in there just to make sure it all ties together. Oh, wow. For breakfast. Now, you know what they say. No breakfast is complete without Tunisia. And there you have it. The perfect breakfast. Really like the colors. It really is as good as it looks. Well, hopefully you can join me tomorrow.